every day is a great day for a drive, but I'm especially excited today because I have my 2019 F-150 LARIAT Roush truck here. It's supercharged with 650 horsepower and it's got an active exhaust system. You get this nice little red button that you can turn on and off for that. As well, you've got the Abyss Gray exterior, black leather interior, and the Roush decaling, which gives you the splatter design with the matte black. You also have clearance lighting on your grille and your fender flares, 2.0 performance Fox suspension system. You have a backup camera, navigation, and so many more features. You also have power deployed running boards, which is really nice. And it's a 5-liter V8, it's a 4x4. And so you can check us out online at islandford.ca. You can also book a test drive at the same location. And there's so many more things to see, so stay tuned. We'd love for you to come out and have a look at this beauty, as well as check out all the other Roush dealers. All the other Roush vehicles. We're the #1 Roush dealer in Canada. We're the only Roush dealer on Vancouver Island. The great thing about a LARIAT is that you have lots of power features in this vehicle that allows you to customize it for driver and other individuals that may want to drive it, whether regularly or periodically. So in the door you've got your storage and your speaker. You also have power windows, locks and mirrors, as well as memory for 3 drivers. Your driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have your electronic parking brake located here. You also have power pedals, so if people have different comfort zones for their legs and how close they are, they can adjust that. You also have your lighting controls and LED side view mirror spotlights, and there's a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, so that makes it really easy for the adjustments. And with the help of your power deployed running boards and grab handle, it's easy to get inside. You also have the Roush all-weather mats. I'm just going to show you there. They've got the logo on them, make for easy cleanup. And on the face of your steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. Now this is a push start, so my key's in my pocket, foot's on the brake, and we're going to push the engine start button, and you'll notice the light's green there. On your dash, you're going to notice you've got your odometer reading. You've also got this view of your menu, and it toggles right, left to right. So you've got My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing the B&O badging for your audio system. There's a little bin, and there's your serialized plate for Roush. So it's got the VIN number there as well as the serial number. And then you've got your traction control, hazard lights. There's your camera view, and so you press through that for the different views. And then auto stop start for less idle time. You can touch on your audio, so you can touch on the screen for the different things that you want. I'm not sure if the stereo's on, so sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You can go into your climate, and you'll notice that you have dual climate control. You also have a heated steering wheel, and you can go into your navigation. The map will come up. This is voice activated navigation. When you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view, and you can see your vehicle where it is in space, which is kind of nice too. And then as well, you can go into your settings. You can slide through for different options. There's your heated steering wheel. And then you have 911 Assist, Apple CarPlay, display, and so forth. You can actually change the look of your screen, how dark or light it is. There's your volume and tuner. And down below is dual climate control, as well as heated and cooled seats, your AC and max AC. And you also have the front and rear defrost. Off to the side is a 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller, so you can tow and go in reverse like a pro. Down below, a couple of USB outlets, and that's what I was talking about, that nice little red button. That's your exhaust, activated exhaust, or active exhaust. And then when you want to close all that up, just press the button. You also have a select shifter, which is automatic, drive mode. You press that, and you'll see it appear on the dash. So you've got normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. There's a couple of cup holders. You also have park assist and lane keeping. Your armrest opens up, and inside you've got a little lockbox in here with the Roush logo and a combination. Off to the side is a 12 volt and a 110, and you also have a locking glove compartment. And then up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, your universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and as well, that is the button that slides that power window in the back. And then you have a twin panel moonroof, so we can actually open it up, get some nice fresh air. We've got blue skies today, just a beautiful day for a drive. 305, 55 tires and 20-inch wheels. You're seeing the wheel flares with the clearance lighting, power deployed running board, and you've got the body colored door handle. You see this little button, that's intelligent access. So when your fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. You also have keyless entry keypad, and then driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler, and you're seeing that nice Roush splatter graphics. As well on the back you have the Roush matte black graphic. The body colored handle is just above the camera, and you also have your tailgate that's lockable and removable. There's also backup sensors on your bumper, and you have a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, locking spare tire. As well, you've got the license plate for Roush, and there also is an R cover for that hitch when it's not in use. And then when you want to bring down that tailgate, this is what I love, you can double click your fob. It powers it down for you, and that just makes it really easy. It's nicely lined, tie downs in all 4 corners. And as well, you have box link, and there's a tailgate step which makes it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And to make it even easier, when your vehicle is locked, you can double click the fob, and that's your remote start, and it'll start it for you. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab and then lift the seat up. That gives you more room on the floor. And then when you want to bring it back down, pull the tab again and then just push it down. There's the anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and in the center an armrest with a couple of cup holders. You have WeatherTech all-weather mat on the floor for easy cleanup, and there's also an off-road utility kit that comes with the vehicle. I've kept it safely in a box for you, and you also have extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center you've got a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110 and USB outlets, air vents on either side, and you're seeing those little red seats. That's the heated seat controls for back here. There's a grab handle in the body, lights and hooks up above, and in the back access to a power sliding colored bumper, dual exhaust with active exhaust. As well, wheel flares and the Roush graphics, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system. You also have the Roush banner on the windshield, as well as the graphics on the hood, the Roush grille with clearance lighting, and you have halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.